she's clearly one of the most...
Facebook COO Sheryl Sandberg says the $19 billion WhatsApp acquisition was the right decision as the mobile messaging service has huge potential for growth and will soon have 1 billion users. Speaking to NDTV in Delhi, she insists Facebook will soon prove all critics who argued against its expensive WhatsApp buyout wrong.
It's been absolutely a fantastic idea, an idea that many believe has been an absolute game changer for the world, Facebook and the innovation it's brought about. But what next? Many people worry about whether there's been a lack of innovation coming from many technology giants. What next for Facebook?
So we've just made a pretty big shift going from a desktop company to a mobile company. We are now the most used mobile app on almost any platform, almost anywhere in the world. Certainly in India, our usage dwarfs any others, as it does in the United States. What's next? More sharing, more people connected. There are 1 billion people in India who are not yet connected to the internet.
But that doesn't bring in any of the innovation bit that we're talking about. We don't see many innovations coming your way. Will acquisitions be the way forward?
We've done a lot of innovation in India that we now export globally around feature phone use.
Right.
A lot of people who first get phones get feature phones, and making our products work on feature phones wasn't something we were able to do even a few years ago. And so we've really innovated to make that work, and we'll continue to.
But jumping onto the so-called mobile bandwagon is something that Facebook has done very late. In fact, it's something that even Mark Zuckerberg has mentioned in the past has been a bit of a mistake, a bit of a disappointment. Would you agree with that? You should have seen the mobile opportunity way earlier.
Well, Mark has said that had we been started as a company, we're 10 years old, even a few years later, we would have been started as a mobile company. But we were started as a desktop company.
Right.
And so we really had to transition. We had to retrain all of our engineers to do mobile programming. And that transition was hard. Right. And I think we did see it coming late. But I think we're fully there. Our products are mobile. Our products are mobile first. We build mobile first. And I think that's really explaining the growth we're seeing in India and everywhere around the world.
But a Facebook phone, the Facebook Home experiment, many believe that is a project that you've shelved altogether.
So we will keep iterating and keep experimenting. And actually, there were parts of what we launched that are getting integrated into the product.
We have to talk about the mega WhatsApp acquisition, $19 billion for a company like that. Many people say you've overpaid. Some have even called the move desperate. How do you react to that?
Real-time messaging is really important, and WhatsApp is one of the very few companies in the world that's on a path to 1 billion users. Even since the acquisition, they've hit over 500 million users. They're hugely important here, everywhere in the world, and we're excited to work with them. We think it fits very nicely with what we do.
But what about all those analysts who say $19 billion was a bit much?
I think we'll prove them wrong.
All right.
It'll just take some time.